Hi, it's Paul from Wakefield Windscreen Wiper Blades. Today I would like to show you how to change wiper blades on very popular Vauxhall Astra model J. That's quite specific wiper blades. It's a butterfly system, so one wiper goes from right to left, one from left to right. I will change those wipers for Heine hybrid ones. Let me show you quickly how to do it. It's a push button wiper arm, so all you need to do, just push this little button here and push the wiper against the wiper arm. You need to play a little bit with it. Yeah, now it's done. I will do the other side. That was easy. Okay, now we're gonna fit the Heine hybrid wiper blades. We're gonna use two 26-inch long wipers. Original sizes are 27-25, which is really unusual and I guess quite expensive. Average price would be about £50 for a pair. So if you want to save a little bit of money, you can use 226. Works perfectly for this car. Okay, let me show you how to fit wipers. We've got adapter TL2 with letter R. That's right hand drive wiper arm. All we need to do is fit the clip on the wiper arm and then attach wiper blade, this metal bar, between two these square plastic bits, like that. Let me show you quickly. So we slide the adapter onto wiper arm. Please make sure the spoiler is in this position, so Heine logo is visible from inside of the car. And now I'll show you how to do it here. See? Oh, nice and easy. Same from the other side. We've got adapter, same adapter, but letter L on it. Fit the adapter on. And please do remember to remove red plastic cover blade. Oh, got the wrong way around. Okay, let's see how it works. We've got perfect weather to check it. As you can see, that's perfect size for this car. Goes up to here, so full visibility for bad weather condition. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.